Have you ever wondered what the real secret is to achieving healthy, flawless, picture-perfect skin? The answer is actually very simple, and that is consistent daily care. Clear, glowing, and smooth skin plays a major role in enhancing your natural beauty. But here's the surprising part: you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive cosmetic products anymore. Today, we're sharing an incredible list of effective home remedies that can naturally help remove blackheads and whiteheads while giving your skin a radiant, healthy glow. So let's get started. Remedy number 1. Lemon, honey, and sugar. All you need is one fresh lemon, some honey, and a little sugar. This simple combination can do amazing things for your skin. Start by cutting a lemon in half. Pour enough honey over the cut side of the lemon to fully cover the surface. Then sprinkle 2 generous pinches of sugar on top. Cane sugar works especially well for this treatment. Now gently massage the areas affected by blackheads using the lemon half as a natural exfoliating sponge. Use slow, circular motions and allow the mixture to work into your pores. Repeat this treatment no more than once per week. With regular use, you'll begin to notice visible improvements and smoother skin very quickly. Method number 2. Vaseline and plastic wrap. This method works best immediately after taking a warm shower because the steam helps open up your pores. Apply a layer of Vaseline to the problem areas where blackheads are visible. Once applied, cover the area with plastic wrap. With the wrap still in place, put a hot towel over it and let it rest until the towel cools down to room temperature. This helps soften the clogged debris inside your pores. After removing the towel and wrap, gently wipe away excess Vaseline with a tissue. Then carefully press the skin around the clogged pores to release the trapped dirt. The blackheads should come out much more easily. Finish by wiping your skin with a cotton pad soaked in a gentle lotion. Use this method once or twice per month for best results. Method number 3. Coconut oil and essential oils. Did you know coconut oil is one of the most versatile natural solutions for both skin and hair concerns? Slightly warm a quarter cup of coconut oil in a jar for about 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave is enough. Next, add 10 drops total of lemon oil, lavender oil, and tea tree oil. Stir thoroughly until the mixture becomes smooth and evenly blended. Using a cotton ball, apply the solution to your skin morning and evening after washing your face. Store the mixture in a sealed jar at room temperature. After just a few uses, you'll start seeing noticeable improvements in your skin's clarity and texture. Method number 4. Cinnamon and oat flour. Mix 1 teaspoon of oat flour with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add a small amount of warm water and stir until the mixture reaches a thick, creamy consistency. Using your fingertips, gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions for about 1 minute. Then rinse thoroughly with cold water. You may feel a slight tingling sensation from the cinnamon, and this is completely normal and will fade after rinsing. Use this method no more than twice a month. Method number 5. Activated charcoal and green clay. Combine half a teaspoon of activated charcoal powder with 1 teaspoon of green clay and half a teaspoon of warm water. Mix until smooth and lump-free. Apply the mask evenly using a brush or sponge. Allow it to dry completely before rinsing with cold water. Repeat once or twice a week to keep your pores deeply cleansed and refreshed. Method number 6. Coconut oil and coffee grounds. Warm half a cup of coconut oil slightly. Mix it with half a cup of fresh coffee grounds. Take some of the mixture and massage your face in gentle circular motions. Leave it on your skin for about 5 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Use this treatment once a week for beautifully smooth skin. You can freeze the remaining mixture in ice cube trays for future use. Method number 7. Aloe vera, white clay, and essential oils. Mix 2 teaspoons of white clay with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of distilled water along with 3 drops of ylang ylang and lavender essential oils. Blend everything in a glass or ceramic bowl until smooth. Apply the mask evenly and leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Use this mask no more than twice a month. Method number 8. Oatmeal, honey, yogurt, and olive oil. Blend a quarter cup of oatmeal with 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil until smooth. Apply to clean skin and massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water. If your skin is extremely sensitive, skip the scrubbing and use it as a mask for 5 to 7 minutes instead. Use once or twice weekly for glowing, radiant skin. Method number 9. Sugar, honey, olive oil, and vanilla extract. Combine a quarter cup of white sugar and a quarter cup of brown sugar. Add a quarter cup of olive oil and mix thoroughly. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of honey and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend until smooth and gently scrub the affected areas. Rinse with warm water. Use once a week and store leftovers in an airtight jar at room temperature. We recommend trying these natural remedies and sharing in the comments which one worked best for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button to stay on the healthier side of life.